In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Sofi referral bonus. So in order to get the Sofi referral bonus, you will need to be referred by an existing Sofi member and follow specific steps tied to the product you're signing up for. So again, this will depend whether you're getting a referral bonus for checking and savings, invest, or loans. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to do it for banking, which is checkings and savings. So basically what you need to do is you need to go ahead and actually find a unique referral link from a current Sofi member. And luckily for you guys, I actually do have a referral link in the link in the description down below that you guys can use, and from there you will be able to go ahead and get a referral bonus. I also did type up the link on Google right over here, so let's just go ahead and just enter it like so, and then from here you'll get something that looks like this. So from here it will tell you all the different features and stuff like that, and basically in order to get started, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on claim your bonus. So just press on that, and then it is going to ask you, we need to confirm you're human, and then you guys need to go ahead and actually get started. So put in your legal first name, your state, and it is basically going to make you a Sofi account using my referral link. And then after you made your account, you're able to go ahead and actually get a bonus. But here's the thing, guys, you will only get your bonus if you deposit at least $10 to $50 within 14 days. So I do think that this is a pretty good deal, guys, and you are literally able to get $25 within just like a couple minutes, because making a Sofi account is incredibly easy. And once you're done with that, you just need to go ahead and deposit at least $10 to $50. And again, you could do that all within like 5 minutes, and you're able to get $25 for just 5 minutes of time, which is honestly pretty good. But again, just make sure you keep track of the deadline, guys. Make sure you do it within 10 to 14 days, guys. But remember, guys, my Sofi referral link is in the link in the description down below and in the pinned comment, so you guys can go ahead and check it out and get a bonus for yourself. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.